Tejinder is back again with you. But today it's a very special episode. Why? I'm not going to talk about anything technical, what migrants who come to South Australia are going to do here, but this is something which is very close to my heart. It's a very special day. Today is Diwali. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. And today I am going to talk something which connects to the heart. It's been almost a month here, and I've been enjoying every moment here. But today it's Diwali. It's the first Diwali which I am celebrating out of India. It feels at times on such festivals that you are actually away from your people. And there are some people who make sure that migrants who come to such places, they do not feel away from home. They should feel they have a home here. And one such person is with me right now. I am with Kuldip Singh Chugha, who is the president of South Australian Punjabi Association. Thanks, Kuldip ji, for giving your time here. And the reason why I am here is because he made it sure that people like me who come to South Australia, who come to Adelaide, they feel there is home away from home. He has been organizing Diwali Mela for last 25 years. So now you know why he's here. Kuldip ji, how this thought came to your mind that there should be a Diwali festival, Diwali celebration, Diwali Mela here in Adelaide?
Tejas, first I would like to welcome you to Australia, and it is our like a pleasure, such a skillful person is now with us. So now we can tell our views and everything to all over the world. And first I will say you and your listener, happy Diwali, and God bless you all. About 25, I came here last 35 years. When we came here, not many people are around here. I was also like you. Came myself. Now my family is before here, and we feeling very isolated. And then we wandering around and try to find anybody where we can enjoy our time. But last 25 years, I'm in South Australia, and before we have few people who feeling like a very like a happy, and because we making a progress here. But when such festival, and we gather a few peoples, and we gather in one small house, and we celebrate their Diwali, and a few patakes and fulchari stuff, and we make a sweet ourselves. Even at that time there's not so many shops around here. Then this slowly develop up. Then we try to receive other people, they coming, students coming, they need lots of help, and we doing helping them. Then we think there should be one big like a party. Then we organize first time in 2006 in a big hall, and all friends gather there. Then we have a couple dance, songs, new covers, and people feeling like a happy, they feeling like their own families. Then this family slowly grow up, and last 5 6 years, then we organize a big Diwali and big ground. More than 5,000 people is gathering there, and people know each other. Mostly we make a friend in such Diwali, and most thing is now our main aim to spread our culture. And like Australia is very like a multiculturalism. Multiculturalism is embedded in national identity of in Australia. So we are very welcome. Other communities they come, and they join with us. Recently we celebrate Adelaide Multicultural Diwali Mela, and this multicultural means all other communities also celebrate with us. This is Diwali Mela. And like maybe you are last time there, and you can see there the 6,000 people, they dancing together as a family.
Yes.
And there was no security guard, nothing. So we are so happy as a family, big family.
Yes, it was a very wonderful Mela. I was a part of it, and very soon I'll be sharing some video clips of that Diwali Mela with all of you, so that you can feel if you are coming to South Australia, you are not going to miss such important events. Yes, you will miss being in India, but here people are like Kuldip Singh Chugha. There are some other people as well who are making it sure that people who come here, the migrants who come here, especially from India or any other parts of the world, they are able to enjoy such festivals. Kuldip ji, one more thing I want to know. Like a migrant, like I have come here. uh, I was lucky enough to connect with good people like you, like some other people. But the migrants who come here, they have so many thoughts in their mind. What should they think of when they reach Australia, especially South Australia, because people have been talking that there are not much jobs. So, can you give a brief picture to the other people who are planning to come to this place or who are working on that?
This place is very wonderful. Everybody is very, very helpful here, and there's lots of government resources. They have job search areas. They are like all in the community people. They helping lots. They helping individually. Like for example, 5-10 years back, even we helping people to rent a place. We giving a reference. We try to organize a work experience for them. If they need any other immigration help, we're doing that one. And so because we have big community, big connections with the higher powers peoples, and then we can, if there's a bureaucratic people, they not making it easy their life, we have a big approach, and we saying mostly in Australia everything is going very smoothly if you have right attitude, and you can achieve whatever you like to achieve here. There's a big opportunity, just you and your right attitude only need that. You don't need anything else.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for those very good words for all the new migrants, and thank you very much for giving your time to us.
Thanks, Teji. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So that was it, friends. I wanted to share this feeling. This person, he has brought that feeling to me here, and they are doing a wonderful job. And since it's Diwali, so I would like to say a words in my language. आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आपके दिल में उस तरह की खुशियां हमेशा आपको मिलती रहें और वो रोशनी का दिया आपकी ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ में ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਜਲਦਾ ਰਹੇ. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੰਦੀ ਛੋੜ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਖੇੜੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਰਹੇ. So that's all, folks. Next time I'll be with you with another video, and do remember to subscribe to my channel so that I can get motivated and keep on bringing you such videos. Thank you very much. Thanks.